Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 C300 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray Metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. For wheels we've got 18-inch twin 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior, sunroof, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats. Alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, a natural grain walnut wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, our media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 3,536 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.